I don't give a shit. Got models, bottles, and the piff is lit where we ballin'. Kinda like sprawling and rolling. On the road to riches, never stalling. Got your girl up all on my nuts, boy. She do it with joy, no almonds.
What's up, guys? K250 back again. I actually just finished recording that Moto Talks 11 response. But I had more to do, but I didn't want to put it all in the same because that one's going to be tagged for the people that I'm responding back to. But no, this is going to be Tacobell Run Part 2. Because guess where I'm going? Tacobell! Nah, I got to get some dinner for the fam bam. And they're wanting Taco Bell again. So that's where I'm going. And guys, I apologize for the last like 3 days. I haven't really posted anything. Been really busy. Not really busy, but I haven't had much to talk about. I'm going in though. I'm not gonna sit out here in this fucking hot ass sun on this bike and go through the drive-thru and then take forever. So we're going inside. See if anything interesting happens. The ladies in there were more interested in my helmet and the GoPro than they were about making my damn food. This camera angle's not too far down, but if it is, I'll fix it. But yeah, I got the family some food because they were hungry for them tacos, them burritos. Oh yeah, so guys, I started another little Teespring campaign. The last one I only sold like 3 shirts, which was as expected, but that's okay. But as soon as it ends, I had people saying, hey, I was gonna buy one, but it ended before I got paid. So I'm like, fuck, alright. So I went and I made a new version. Now instead of having a white shirt, I did a green shirt like I had. It's all black with the Kawasaki green text. I think it looks way better that way, but that's just me. So yeah, I'll probably put the link to that campaign in the description. And another thing that I wanted to talk about was stickers, because everybody loves stickers. I know I mentioned it in my sticker giveaway video, but that one didn't get very many views, not as many as I expected it to. So I'm going to mention it now. I am doing another 20 stickers, or I have another 20 stickers to give away as soon as I hit 200 subs. Slam that subscribe button, please, please, I beg of you. Nah, not really, but if you do, that's pretty fucking awesome, and I love you, like, love you, yeah, that way, oh yeah. So yeah, this weather has been so shitty. So shitty. The last 2 days have been amazing, but this weather is moving in again. And our fucking river is supposed to be at like 29.8 feet over normal tomorrow evening with floods. They got like half the town blocked off from the floods and shit. Yeah, it sucks. just want my normal route back. I can't even ride my normal route because half my route is fucking underwater. I feel bad for the vloggers in Austin though, man. I saw the footage from up there. Oh my god, all of downtown, 6th Street, flooded. Hope everybody up there is doing okay. I know Houston got it really bad too. So if any of you guys over there in that area, y'all take care of yourselves. Honda. That red light though. The fuck are you honking at? That popo though. La da 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 da. Get off your phone! Get off your phone! He wasn't even close to keeping his eyes on the road. Fucking looking all the way to the passenger seat at his phone with his hands like he was holding it across the car, looking at it. He's still looking at it. Alright. But as always, guys, KW250 is